Hi guys, my name is Sam John Singleton and we're gonna get the ingredients. Me and Landen. Oh yeah guys, we're making a pizza. And we're gonna get sausages and pepperonis. How about I'm gonna go this way. Looky, come on. Where are the pepperoni? They sneaky. What ingredients you need for a pizza? Come on, follow me. We need cheese, pepperoni, sausages, and dough, and tomatoes. No pepperoni here.
What about the white cheese?
Excuse me, where are the pepperonis? So I'm going to show you where are the pepperonis.
Welcome.
They're right here.
You're welcome.
I got the pepperonis. Laylay, I got the pepperonis. That's how we... Oh, we need some sausages. Oh, yeah.
You want sausages?
Oh, we need some sausages. Oh! Is Mommy's here in the store? That was so heavy.
What?
That bag was too light for me. Peanuts. I just saw the peanuts because I love peanuts. I love peanuts. I said peanuts. What are these?
Uh-oh, I hear Laylay.
What are these?
Landen, this way. Landen got the oil.
Oh yeah, we can't forget about the oil.
Okay, y'all ready? Y'all gotta go to the register, check out.
Mommy, this is what I do when I look for things.
What do you do?
Do it like this.
Okay.
Open the eyes.
All right, that's right. You gotta open your eyes to look for things.
Now it's time to check out and open your eyes. You gotta pay things. You can't open them when you buy them. Why you get my stuff out? Why you get my stuff out? I'm gonna hold it. 69. I can do it, and I can do it. I'm doing my own bag. I'm doing that stuff. You put all my stuff in here. He put all my stuff in his bag. You making pizza? Now it's time to put the pizza, guys. You gotta oil your dough. Here you go. Here you go. I need some on this side.
Spread it out.
Spread it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No niggas. Mommy, tomato sauce. I need tomato sauce. Tomato. Now you need your pizza sauce. That was hilarious, right? Mommy, how do I put the tomato sauce on here? No, pour the tomato sauce all over the pizza. Put some tomato sauce on it. Give him a piece of cheese. Like so. Make sure you put cheese on your pizza because you want it to be cheesy. Now say that again. I said cheesy. Cheesy, cheesy. We love cheesy, cheesy. Okay, it makes cheese. Now we need some sausages. Now we're going to put some sausages on our pizza. First, we need the pizza and we need all the ingredients. Blueberries, strawberries, or whatever you want on your pizza. Pepperoni or sausage. It's your business, like Miss Tab say. These smell like little sausages, actually. Yeah. Ooh, they smell spicy, actually. Okay, vanilla.
You're doing a good job.
Am I doing a good job, Mommy?
You are. I'm a lot of
Right.
pepperoni. Sausages, like.
Pepperoni sausages? Oh, what? It is pepperoni sausages. White. Okay, ta-da! Laylay was saying, go pizza in the oven, pizza in the oven. Laylay's so cute, isn't she? I told you why you smell this thing. Mine's got so many pepperonis on it, so can you tell as well? Okay, guys, the pizza's all ready to make. Put them in the oven for 30-45 minutes. Already, guys, look at those pizzas. Oh, but tear those up. Yummy in my tummy. Alright, guys, now come back to our video. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube, 7 John Singleton, the superhero. I love you.